Entire government job recruitments in the past 1 year will be reviewed if the Bharatiya Janata Party comes to power in the state, because some ministers are filling new posts without following proper procedures. Leader of the opposition Manohar Parrikar told Goa 365 in a program Politrix. He has also promised to appoint Lokayukta within 90 days of the BJP coming to power.
Speaking to Goa 365, Mr. Parrikar vowed to review not only certain ministers' decisions but also the role of the government officials.
विश्वजीत राणे ओपनली सांगता न्ही 100 हाका येतलो 100 ताका येतलो ताजे कितें बापाचे बेस्ट तें ताजे बापाचे बेस्ट न्ही तें त्यामुळे ही कॅनॉट डू दॅट बाकीचेय करतात पण ते सांबाळून म्हणजे थोड्या हाका येतात थोडे ताका येतात थोडे थंयचे घेता हळूच चोरया तरी करता हें करप हाजो अर्थ ताजे रिक्रुटमेंट हे बायस्ड रिक्रुटमेंट आहा सच रिक्रुटमेंट कॅनॉट बी अलाउड टू सस्टेन आनी त्यामुळे ते कोर्टानूय म्हणटू ते त्याच हाजेर वतले ते शेवटी म्हणजे जी गजाल सध्या चल्ल्या तातून शेवटी ते खंय तरी
The former chief minister also promised to appoint a Lok Ayukta with full powers within 90 days of the Bharatiya Janata Party coming to power in the state.
The best way of controlling corruption is elect good people and have a very effective mechanism like Lok Ayukta to punish those who are corrupt. हे दोन जर तूं लोक पळयत गजाली जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता बऱ्यापैकी करप्शन 100% केन्नाच वचचें ना पण 75-80% corruption can be reduced by these two steps. It is for people in the next election to elect good people, good government. In fact, I will not say individuals. एक पक्ष जो लोकांक बरो दिसता त्या पक्षाक लोकांनी निवडून हाडप.
The full program will be telecast on Goa 365 on Monday at 10 p.m. and on Tuesday at 10 a.m. and 3 p.m.